Colin, does this explanation help Kaepernick's cause?
No, not to me. An immature act doesn't become more mature with time. Listen, it shows me where his head is. And you can have a press release, and you can... Here's the reality. He didn't think this through. He doesn't have football on his mind. He's got a lot of other things on his mind. People are chirping. He's listening. He's acting impulsively. Work environment practice, work environment stadium. Once again, he goes activist. I believe there's a time and a place for activism. As I said yesterday, Ali didn't go activist in the 6th round against Joe Frazier. He did it on his own time. To me, this is immature, it's juvenile, it's trolling with socks.
It's everything that is wrong with this society. And it gets me right to my word of the day, hot take. And I'm gonna go deep on this for a second, but I just want to explain what a hot take is. A journalism term derisively used to describe a piece of deliberately provocative commentary that is based almost entirely on shallow moralizing. Colin, this whole police brutality narrative that we got going all over the media is a giant hot take. It's shallow moralizing. People have taken some incidents and some tragic incidents and tried to paint the entire police force as out to get black people. I've said it many times in the media. I've said it on your radio show. I'm gonna say it again today. My family lost someone dear to all of us from what we believe to be police brutality. Personally impacted my family. Police brutality is not black people's issue. And this is all a distraction from the real issues impacting black people. Mass incarceration, black-on-black homicide among young black men. Those are the issues at the forefront for black people. No one wants us to talk about those things because there are people that don't want us to correct those things. So let's talk about police brutality. Something that the overwhelming majority of police don't want to happen, the government doesn't want to happen. But let's talk about that. Just one stat. I looked in the New York Times. Guy wrote a piece, 1.6 million arrests in Houston in a year's time. 507 times the police fired a weapon. 1.6 million arrests, 507 times they fired a weapon. Police brutality is a distraction. It's a hot take. The media, the newspaper industry, the television industry, they're all living off of clickbait. Let's wave this emotional issue in front of people and distract them from the real issues that are damaging black